What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the price action is going parabolic right now. We are getting some major price action. We've had almost a $900 price spike since my last video on Saturday, which was around $9,500. We are now up at almost $10,600. We just smashed through a resistance, which was at 9,500. And guys, is 11,000 right around the corner? Or is this just a fake out and are we going to punch back down? Okay guys, if that sounds good to you today, what we're going to be going over, be sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. There is no time to waste. Okay guys, so we are getting this price spike up. I mean, it's right there, guys. Check it out. 10,680 and still climbing. I'm talking 10 minutes ago, we were at 10,500. So another $200 price spike. Okay guys, since the 20th at 9,177, we have spiked up over $1,400. Okay guys, this is a major price rally here. Okay guys, we are touching and we're breaking resistance, turning resistance into supports, and I think $11,000 is just right around the corner, guys. If you look, the EMA 20 is pushed way above the EMA 55. The Bollinger Bands are staying very wide. We've broken out of this ascending wedge that we've been in since the 20th. Okay, guys, so I think that's a really good sign. There's really just not too much holding it down right now. So I think Bitcoin is literally on its way up right now. Does that mean we're going to go straight to the moon? I don't think so. Like, to be honest, I found a CME futures gap down at 9,600. So technically the price should go back down there and get filled there. Right around this price, right here, right around here. Okay guys, so in essence the price could definitely break down eventually, but right now the price is spiking up. We have 10,700 and climbing. Still climbing, guys, still climbing right now. So let me know what you guys think in the price action. Where do you think this rally is going to end? Or do you think this is out of steam and that it's ending? But guys, I'm going to be very transparent. I think that the Bitcoin price is still rising. We still have a lot of room to go. We could get all the way up to 11,000 before we're rejected again. We don't have any resistance right here up until the $850 mark. And we're still pushing the 10,711. Okay, this candle, we were just at 10,400 not even an hour ago, guys. This is a $300 spike that we've gotten in the last hour. Okay, guys, so Bitcoin is really having some really big moves right now. And there's many things that can play into why this is happening. Okay, there's been a lot of money printing. Okay, the coronavirus, there's still a lot of fear in the market. Okay, and as I said, when the market is still high and there's still fear and it's not getting a crash, the market is going to spike up. And I was talking about this volatility for weeks, guys. I've been talking about this breakout happening for quite some time, and it's finally happening right now, and it's still going. This is very exciting to watch, guys. I'm sitting here making this video right now. The price is spiking as we speak. Okay, 10,800. It's about to break 10,800 right now. So this is a very interesting video because the breakout is literally happening right now. So it's just very exciting, guys. Pardon my excitement, but you know, when stuff's going on in your middle of video, it's exciting. So I think we got a little bit more room up. We could definitely see the $11,000 right around the corner here. This could just keep going. Anyway, guys, I could keep going. It looks like we're going to keep getting some price rise. I think we're going to get stopped out at around $11,000. That being said, if we don't break the $10,850 level, we're going to stay kind of where we are now and then get a little bit of a sell-off. That's just how Bitcoin reacts. And again, we have that CME futures gap down at 9,600. So I think that will get filled eventually, and that's only $1,000 from right now. So it could definitely get filled within the next couple weeks, guys. And you know how Bitcoin price moves up and down and has these big pumps and then sell-offs, and that's just literally the way it works, guys. So keep that in mind as we're moving forward, is that this could just, you know, it could just be a big pump, but we're still going to get a correction after that, and that it happens religiously. The only way we won't is if this is the bull run that we've been waiting for, and I don't think it's coming yet. It's scheduled to happen at the end of 2021, early 2022. So I think those higher prices are still a ways away. Now that being said, how high of a price action do we need building up to it before we get there? Now, some people say the lower the price is, the better for the price action. But I think that we kind of need to steadily build up to these higher prices. And I think that's what's going to happen for the foreseeable future, as long as we continue to get a build like this. Remember, guys, we were just at $9,000 and we're already at we're almost at $11,000 right now. Okay, guys, that's a massive difference in the Bitcoin price. So a lot can happen over the next few days. The price is definitely going parabolic right now. It is definitely going crazy. So hopefully we can continue to see these gains, but be prepared for a bit of a sell-off. And remember, guys, that there is a CME futures gap at 9,600, and those do tend to get filled. Okay, guys, I want to talk a little bit about ZEC, which is having the same kind of pump. Well, maybe not exactly the same, but still from around $56 to over to $70. That is still a very big gain. And since March, at around $18 all the way down here, all the way up to $70. That is a massive pump, guys. So Zcash definitely having a big run that I've been talking about. We broke through this green resistance and sell zone and are now up, getting ready to touch the next resistance at around $74. Okay, guys, do you think that we can break up past that resistance? I think so. I think they're going to keep moving up. I think as long as Bitcoin has this steam, we're going to keep moving, and there's nothing stopping it. It's the same thing with ETH. Remember, guys, I talked about it hitting around 313. We're sitting at 316 right there, guys. Check it out. Okay, so we got all the way up to $330. Okay, guys, it pumped very high. That call was pretty spot on, guys. It doesn't get much better than that. When I'm in within dollars, guys, that's as good as it gets in the price call department. Okay, guys, so just be sure to subscribe and like for that one, guys. I'm very proud of these calls. I'm very happy. Back to Bitcoin, up to 10,800. We're about to punch through the $10,850 mark. Here we go. Guys, very exciting stuff. New candle being put in. Here we go. 10,900. Here it goes. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. Okay, guys, so on to Electroneum, okay? Remember, I was talking about getting a bounce off of this support. We did get a bounce. We hit this resistance, bounced back down, kind of broke through the support, but then there's another support down here we ended up crashing into at the 0.0053 range, and then a subsequent shoot up. The EMA 20 pushing back towards the EMA 55. And Electroneum's bouncing around a little bit, guys. But remember, we just had these big channels. Okay, so big channel, pump up, big channel down, pump up, big channel down. Hopefully we'll get another subsequent pump up right after it. Okay, guys, that's what I think is going to happen with Electroneum. We definitely need to see it get back on this blue channel that I've put in here. That would be very good. We want to see it creeping up towards the 0.0058 mark and actually remain stable up there. For instance, we bounced off this resistance. We want to put in a more stable trend, basically. So we want to end up above this trend line and just remain bouncing upwards. Okay, guys, so hopefully we can put in a move up to the 0.0058, and that would be very good for the foreseeable future for Electroneum. And guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about the Bitcoin 10-month highs aims at a 10.5K resistance. And guys, as we know, we're already busting right through that. So they're talking here about 390, having some optimism, but guys, we're already at around 10,900. So here they say at press time, Bitcoin has not managed to break 10,500 key resistance, which overcome opens up the door to 11,000 higher. So guys, we have broken right through that already and are around 10,850. We just broke 10,968. So we basically touched $11,000 during this video, guys. That is just amazing. Okay, guys, that is great for the Bitcoin price. And guys, Bitcoin is behaving more akin to gold and silver. And as we all know, gold is nearing or at its all-time highs right now. So briefly on traditional markets, gold and silver are continuing to rip higher, as well as bond yield making new lows, while the USD continues to lose ground. He continued adding, indices overall are sat looking at little precarious after last week's sell-off towards the end of the week. We'll need to keep an eye on that, but Bitcoin seems to be behaving more akin to gold and silver than equities at the moment. Okay, guys, so that means Bitcoin is acting more like gold and silver than cash, for instance, and the traditional markets. That means that Bitcoin could really have some steam up coming up, and I think that, you know, we really have a lot more room to go here. I think $11,000 is just right around the corner. We just almost touched it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. These are definitely very exciting times. I know that video is a little bit scattered and all over the place, but when the price is really spiking up, it's very exciting, guys. And I think that we're going to end up seeing some higher times over the next few years, and that's really exciting. There was a lot of talk of, will this bull run ever happen? Will we get the gains that we've gotten in the past? Will we get the same kind of the bull market that we're promised, basically, after we left a reaccumulation phase? And I think to answer the question, it is yes, and we are going to get these gains coming, guys. So just a lot of good things right around the corner. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget I am doing a giveaway for my first 500 subscribers. It's not for all 500, but one of you will be the lucky winner, and I will do that drawing for you guys all live to see, and one of you will win. Okay, guys? And if you're not familiar with the Ledger Nano, that it's just one of the best ways to keep your Bitcoin safe and off of the exchanges, because you don't want to leave it there, guys. It's very easy to get hacked. Somebody could get your account information and get onto your account, and before you know it, all your coin is gone. So the best way to secure yourself is to be safe and to make good decisions like that. So Ledger Nano is definitely something you guys want to get your hands on. But guys, that's all I have time for today. I'm going to get back to the market. I have a lot of work to do, actually, with the market fluctuating up. So hopefully the market continues to rise up. I think $11,000 is definitely a target, and we basically just hit it. Guys. So as I predicted it, it happened. That's a video catching my prediction happening live. So that's awesome, guys. So I think that we're going to end up there again. And but after that, we will get a little bit of a sell-off, and I think we'll touch back down to like the $9,600 mark when the sell-off happens. Okay, guys. Again, that's all I have time for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.